Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2005-2018 Toyota Tacoma. Now, we put a 6-inch rough country lift on it, some 20x12 American Truxx strikers, also known as an AT166, and some 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires. Now the lift, our tips and tricks on the lift is you need to make sure you have good drill bits because you have to drill holes for some bump stops into your frame, so make sure you have a good set of drill bits for drilling into metal. The next one is you need a reciprocating saw because you have to cut your cross member. And besides that, it's pretty simple and you don't need anything super special. Something to watch out for is when you're dropping the diff, you will have kind of an issue with the breather tubes. Make sure you disconnect the breather tube bracket and disconnect the breather tubes from the diff, otherwise it'll give you some issues. Now these American Truxx Strikers 166s, they come in two different sizes, not two different sizes, they come in a 20x9 and a 20x12. So you have the option between a deep dish and a not so deep dish. They also come in a black and milk, which is the kind of wheel that we have on this truck right now. They come in an all black or a chrome wheel. These 33 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunters, they come in a 10 and a 12 ply. This customer wanted a 12 ply. They may or may not tow, even though it's a Tacoma. And you know, we say yes sir. So they got a 12 ply. Really happy with the Fury mud terrain tires. They're closer to an RT tread than a mud terrain tread. However, they still are aggressive and they look great, and they're at a great price point. And besides that, it's pretty simple and pretty basic. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment or shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. And if you want to order any of these parts, whether it's the wheels or the tires or the lift or some bumpers or lights or anything for your vehicle, please go to our website, central-alps.com, and let's get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're sitting there and you're watching this video and you're looking at it and you're like, Michael, that's great. I'm glad that customer got their Tacoma, but I want to go ahead and buy one. Pre-built, pre-done, by Central Alps, ready to go. Go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and we're going to start partnering with our dealers in listing and advertising the vehicles that we built for them on our website, so that you can go on our website, find a vehicle that you like, buy it and either come pick it up or buy it and have them shipped to your house. So with that being said, thank you for watching. My name is Michael and have a great day.